Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with the original file and a backup. That protects the photo if anything goes wrong. Open Instagram or the editor that has the filtered image, then tap the image to access edits. Swipe left or press the filter preview. Once done, locate the filter name or the edit history entry so you know exactly what to remove. This first step is about identifying where the effect lives rather than guessing. Make sure you can see the adjustment controls or layers before moving on. Next, reduce the filter's strength and undo individual adjustments. Use the filter strength slider or a revert/reset button to drop the global effect. Then inspect brightness, saturation, warmth, vignette, and clarity. Slide each back to neutral. If the app supports layers or masks, use a history brush or mask to erase the filter only where needed. Once done, compare before and after by toggling visibility. This shows whether color shifts or contrast remain. Finish by comparing the edited image to your backup. Export a new file so the original stays safe. If subtle color casts or banding persist, use healing, clone, or selective color tools to fix artifacts. Work at 100% zoom for accuracy. If the filter won't fully remove, reopen the backup and repeat the sequence, or import the image into a different editor that supports layers and raw adjustments. One key troubleshooting tip: if edits flatten the image, restart from the untouched backup and take smaller incremental steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.